Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Reza Lavajero, 41 years old from Philippines. I have my own family. I'm a mother of three, two daughters and one son. As a mother, I learned how to take care of my children with patience, love, and responsibilities. I worked as a nanny in Oman from 2012 to 2014 for a family of three. I took care of their children, helped with daily routines like feedings, bathings, changing clothes, and playing. Also, make sure that the house was clean and organized. I am well organized, honest, trustworthy, and willing to learn new things. I'm also ready to adapt to the cultures in Hong Kong and follow the rules of family and preference. I will do my best to take good care of your children and support your family. Thank you and hope to be part of your home.